Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer files between your PC and your Steam Deck. Let's start from desktop mode on your Steam Deck. So you cannot connect your Steam Deck to PC directly using cable. And in this tutorial we're gonna use SSHD. And in my opinion, this is actually the most efficient way to transfer file at this point of time. So open the terminal and then type PASSWD. Hit enter, and now you must set a password for your Steam Deck. When you type the password, it doesn't show you the password, but it's okay, it is for some security reasons. And then retype the password. So, if you have successfully created a password, it will look like this. And now type sudo systemctl enable SSHD. Hit enter, and now you need to write the password that you just have created before. Okay, for the last one, you need to write sudo systemctl start SSHD. Hit enter. And that's it. You just activate your SSHD on your Steam Deck. And now make sure your Steam Deck connect to the same Wi-Fi router with your PC. And then take notes of your Steam Deck local IP address. And so now move on to your PC. Go to FileZilla website and download and install FileZilla client. So now please double check that your PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi router as your Steam Deck. And now you can write Steam Deck local IP address. And then username usually just deck. And then the password that you have created before. And the port is 22. Click Quick Connect. You can save the password so you don't need to write it again if you want to transfer file. And also click OK to trust this host. Alright, that's it. On the right side is your Steam Deck directory, and on the left side is your PC directory. Okay, so now in this example, I'm gonna try to move a file. So this is the example picture that I want to transfer to my Steam Deck. To move it, you can drag and drop or just double click it. I put it on Steam Deck's download folder. Now let's check the Steam Deck. Alright, it's there. That's it. I hope this video helps, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.